Commission Cashbox, front end, a comprehensive overview. Many people dream of making money online, but the idea of starting from scratch can be daunting. However, there is good news. It is possible to start collecting online paychecks without any prior experience. This article will explore how to do just that. One common misconception is that you need to use artificial intelligence, AI, to make money online. However, this is not the case. There are plenty of ways to earn money online without relying on AI. This article will provide tips and strategies for anyone looking to start earning money online, regardless of their level of experience. Question: what if I could show you a brand new way to make money online from just one cash-rich website? Mark Milburn, an expert in making money online, shares his story of how he discovered an evergreen opportunity to generate commissions consistently and predictably. This opportunity is not related to ChatGPT, AI, TikTok, crypto, dropshipping, or any other latest hype that could fail in any minute. It is a highly lucrative website that thousands of regular people with no experience are tapping into right now. This opportunity does not require any technical skills, thousands of dollars of investment, or endless hours of work. In just 5 minutes, anyone can access this website and start generating amazing income that lasts. This is by far the easiest and relaxing way to make money online that Mark knows. Mark's journey to discovering this opportunity began when he lost his job as a plant manager at a local manufacturing plant during the pandemic. Desperate to find a solution to his financial stress, he tried various money-making schemes, including cryptocurrencies and NFT projects, but they only made his money troubles worse. His marriage with Lisa crumbled because of his secrets, and he hit rock bottom, feeling like a failure as a husband and provider. Just when he thought all hope was lost, he ran into an old colleague from the manufacturing plant, Jameis, who revealed his secret to making good money even though he was technically jobless. Jameis showed Mark how to tap into an online platform that's incredibly cash-rich and generate commissions from there. Mark set up his account, executed transactions, and watched as commissions flowed into his bank account. With each commission earned, a spark of hope returned to his life, and the weight of financial burden slowly lifted. Lisa noticed a change in Mark, and they rediscovered the bond that had initially brought them together. As the word spread about their newfound financial stability, friends and family members started approaching them for help. After getting the green light from Jameis, they decided to package everything they had learned into a system that could help others achieve similar results. In conclusion, this evergreen opportunity to make money online is accessible to anyone, even without special skills or experience. It is a legitimate business transaction that can generate commissions consistently and predictably. With just 5 minutes of access to the highly lucrative website, anyone can start generating amazing income that lasts.